Hello. I don't know if you've ever made a website before, but I just wanted to basically give some basic help, some advice on how to do that. So first of all, you need a way to make your documents, your basic files. You need to be able to type out some code. I like to use brackets because it's free and it's simple and it doesn't ask you to pay for it at any given time. I don't need this, so I'm not listening to any music. So you just go on to brackets.io, click on download brackets, and you install that like any other program. Alright, once it's installed, launch it. There we go. It's full screen. You can change the way it looks, the colors for your different things. I'm going to create a new document here. Now, basic, it's going to be very basic, and some people won't like the way I'm doing this because of how I'm writing it, but there's your HTML opening. Let's make, let's do something sort of correct. Let's make a body. Some people are going to be annoyed because I'm not doing your basic things. Let's put a paragraph here, and let's put hello. This is your basic code. Okay, let's save this as, I'm going to save this on my desktop in a new file that I'm going to call new file. And this I'm going to call hello.html. HTML is important, so realize that I will be doing some other things later, and that's going to be fun and interesting. Let's see. Then I'm going to go onto my desktop where I saved that, wherever that is. Here we go. New file. It's right here. Oh, anyhow, saved it here. There it is. Hello.html. There. Look, it works. Now I'm going to change this P, which just means paragraph, to header 1, which is the biggest type of header. You have to open and close these. This is basic HTML right here, like how it works. I'll go back to this. F5. You press F5. You want to change, reload your screen so you can see what's changed. There we have it. It's a header now. It's big. It's beautiful. There we go. Okay. So HTML, you don't need to install anything special. You just need a navigator to read that and show it to you the way you want it. But once you start doing anything that has to do with databases or using PHP, I'll show you. All right. Let's do PHP. Let's close this. All right. This is how you open PHP. Echo hello in PHP. Now put hello in HTML up here. And here. There. Now, you're going to notice something interesting. When I refresh this, it says hello in HTML, but it doesn't say hello in PHP because your navigator cannot read PHP. You need a server with PHP installed on it, being extremely simple right now, basically with Apache and PHP installed on it, in order to see it and for it to be visible in your navigator. So how do you do that? Well, there's this nice thing called EasyPHP. For Windows 10 users, this is what I would use, and I would probably download this one right here. If you're using Mac, go with Mamp, M-A-M-P. If you're using Linux, not entirely sure. I would probably go with Wamp server or XAMP, and you download that and install it the way you would any other program. I already have it installed, so that makes it easy. put that next to brackets over here. EasyPHP.org. Brackets was brackets.io. There we go. So EasyPHP down here, it's right here, it's this logo. There. My EasyPHP is running over here. I can right click on it, see that it's starting. And you'll notice something, it doesn't change anything yet, but there's a reason for that. Okay, let's minimize this. First of all, let's put this in here. We're going to move this file. Going to open the Explorer, go to this computer, go into where I installed my programs, EasyPHP, right there. Go into Data, that's very important, Local Web, and I'm going to paste my file in here. Then what am I going to do? Let's see, EasyPHP is right here. Right click on the local web, right click on EasyPHP and left click on local web, and this will open up, which is what I was just showing you in here. This is the local web file database. It's like an actual server, so those could be different websites. A server works pretty much the same way for someone who's making websites. Anyways, is my EasyPHP working here? Should be, just taking a while. There we go. Click on new file. Hello.html won't work either. I'm going to show you that because it's a .html and PHP doesn't work in a .html. So what I need to do is go back into brackets, save as, this is in French, but save as, and go into this computer, C, program files x86, EasyPHP, data, local web, new file. Actually, I should have called it new folder, and I'm going to call this hello.php. Save. Suddenly, this isn't written the same way. This is in color now. It says that it is a PHP. So I'm going to F5 this in order to, there you go, hello PHP. And this is not the one I wanted to go to. New file. Huh. I saved the wrong document in this. Yeah, I did. Where is my hello.html that I created earlier? Oh, it's because I moved it. That's why. So if I leave this, I go into my local web here, I right click this, and I say open as a brackets project. Brackets opens it, and what is this? Okay, this is, there we go. Takes a little while. That was another project I have. Hello in HTML. Hello in PHP. Another thing I can do is I can put HTML directly into this. It's not necessarily a good thing to do, but you can. It works. That's what I'm trying to say. And there we go. And just to prove that it works, I'm going to do an H6. No, how about an H5? You can go from H1 to H6. H6 being smaller. Now let's go back to our, I'm using Chrome. There you go. It's a different size than it was. Now that's the basic how to code, like the things you need in order to code a basic structure website in HTML and PHP. You need EasyPHP, you need a text editor like brackets or Notepad++, there are tons. Or Sublime Text, which is annoying because every once in a while something pops up, but it's one of the best ones on the market. And you need something like EasyPHP or XAMP in order to run a fake server on your computer so that you can see PHP. Next episode I'll explain how to install WordPress on this. It's not very complicated at all. And that's about it. Like and subscribe if you like what I'm trying to do here. And if you have any constructive feedback, feel free. Thanks. Bye.